Hi, this is Mrs. Jennifer from the York Public Library. I wanted to share with you a tutorial for the Coffee Filter Snowflake Take and Make Kit for families. For this craft, you will need coffee filters, washable markers, an eyedropper, and scissors. If you have picked up a kit from the library, you will only need washable markers and scissors, since coffee filters and an eyedropper is provided in the kit. You will start by using the washable markers to create fun patterns on each coffee filter. Be sure to cover your surface with a pizza pan, cookie sheet, or plastic tablecloth. When you have all of your coffee filters colored, it's time to blend those colors. You will need a small cup of water and eyedropper for this step. Using the eyedropper, slowly drop water droplets onto the coffee filter. Do not rush this step because you do not want to make the coffee filter swim in water. Once the filter is damp and the colors are starting to run, it's time to let it dry. It will take several hours, probably overnight, depending on how much water you use for the filter to dry. Once your filter is dried, it's now time to create a snowflake. You will need to fold the coffee filter according to the directions. First, fold the coffee filter in half, then fold the right corner to the left so that it is 1/3 of the way over. Fold the left corner so the edges line up on the right. Then fold the filter in half one last time. You can use the pattern ideas to create your snowflake pattern, or you can draw your own pattern. For the next step, you will need adult supervision while cutting out your snowflake pattern. Once you finish cutting your pattern, gently unfold the coffee filter to reveal your unique snowflake. Have fun decorating your house, or maybe share a snowflake with a friend. And thank you for watching this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe to the York County Library YouTube channel for more fun crafts and activities.